The Second Epistle of John, commonly referred to as Second John, is one of the shortest books in the New Testament. It is a brief letter focusing on the importance of truth, love, and vigilance against false teaching. Salutation. The letter opens with a greeting from the elder, traditionally understood to be John the Apostle, to the elect lady and her children, which can be interpreted either as a particular woman and her children or as a metaphor for a local church and its members. John extends grace, mercy, and peace from God the Father and Jesus Christ, emphasizing truth and love. Walking in truth and love. John expresses joy that some members of the elect lady's family are walking in the truth, adhering to the commandments received from the Father. He exhorts the recipients to continue loving one another, which is demonstrated by walking according to God's commandments. This echoes the commandment to love one another that has been central from the beginning of their faith. Warning against deceivers. John warns of many deceivers who do not acknowledge Jesus Christ coming in the flesh. Such a person is identified as the deceiver and the Antichrist. Believers are advised to watch themselves to avoid losing their full reward and to remain in the teaching of Christ. Anyone who does not remain in this teaching does not have God. John instructs not to welcome or offer hospitality to false teachers, as doing so would be participating in their wicked work. Conclusion and final greetings. John expresses his desire to visit and speak with them face to face, so their joy may be complete. The letter closes with greetings from the children of the elect sister, indicating close bonds within the Christian community. Themes. Truth. A central theme of 2 John is the importance of adhering to the truth of the gospel. Truth is closely tied to love and obedience to God's commandments. The truth about Jesus Christ, particularly his incarnation, is emphasized as essential to the Christian faith. Love. Love is another major theme, presented as both a commandment and a practical expression of faith. Loving one another is equated with living according to God's commandments. The inseparable connection between truth and love is highlighted, showing that genuine Christian love is grounded in the truth of the gospel. Warning against false teachers. John warns against deceivers and antichrists who spread false teachings, particularly those who deny the incarnation of Jesus Christ. The letter emphasizes the need for discernment and vigilance to protect the community from such false teachings. Obedience. Obedience to God's commandments is portrayed as walking in truth and love. True knowledge of God is shown through adherence to his commands. Community and fellowship. The letter reflects the close-knit nature of the early Christian community and the importance of maintaining doctrinal purity within that community. Hospitality is an important aspect of community life but should not be extended to those who promote false teachings. The Second Epistle of John, though brief, provides a concise yet powerful message about the essential elements of Christian life. Adhering to the truth of Christ's teaching, loving one another, and guarding against falsehood.